Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting your scene ready. Position the subject where you can move the lens to within 1-2 cm. Once done, open camera and choose photo. On iPhone 13, the camera will switch automatically when close. Make sure your hands are steady, use a small tripod or rest your elbows. If macro control is off, enable it in Settings camera so you can toggle. This first step gets you into macro range quickly. It avoids hunting for focus. You now refine focus and exposure. Move the phone slowly until the lens recognizes the subject, about 1-2 cm typically. Tap and hold to set AE/AF lock so focus stays stable. Then slide your finger on screen to adjust exposure and avoid blown highlights. Use a constant LED or small flashlight for consistent lighting and angle a white card as a reflector when necessary. Take several frames with slight distance changes. You finish by stabilizing the shot. Use a 2S timer or burst to eliminate handshake and press the shutter gently. Once done, review at 100% to confirm sharpness. If the camera keeps hunting, back up a bit or clean the lens. Oils and smudges often cause focus errors. Make sure your subject contrast is sufficient. Low contrast makes focus fail. If problems persist, toggle macro control off and on, then retry. Otherwise, crop and sharpen in photos for the final look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.